What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been about 2 weeks since I haven't posted. I quickly just wanted to say that I'm so sorry for that, but I am going through a little bit of a mental breakdown, or did go through a mental breakdown the past 2 weeks. I've been feeling depressed, okay? I don't know why. I don't know how to explain it to my audience, but if you've ever dealt with depression, you know that you feel a little bit helpless or worthless at the same time. And I just kind of gave up on all my projects, and I felt so bad because you guys have been so supportive towards me, and I can't give up on this channel. I can't give up on my dreams. And today I got up, put on my what do you call this, the Gymshark I put on a workout outfit because I want to go run after this. Gonna take off my makeup and just have a productive day. But I've been feeling so down, and I just didn't know how to communicate it with you guys. I wish I could just explain it further to y'all, but I really can't. Anyways, I don't want to get into some mushy stuff. I want to continue on with this video on a happy note, so I'm going to give you guys some updates. Now, I have been extremely excited and looking forward to this weekend because if you guys don't know, I have a sister, like a sister, and I haven't seen her in about 15 years. And this Friday will be the first time in 15 years since I've seen her. She lives all the way in Virginia, so I'm going to be doing a road trip with Rocket Bunny over here. And I'm going to be taking the trip out by myself, and hopefully I can see some cool stuff while I'm out there. I'm definitely going to be bringing the vlog, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on my way. And while I'm there, I'm just extremely nervous because of that. That also adds on to a bunch of the anxiety that I've been having lately. I do have some P.O. boxes here that I want to open on camera for you guys, so I'm gonna do that very quickly. This package is, well, it's from Amazon, but it doesn't have a name, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I got a little knife. Okay, first package. Oh, that could have went really wrong. Okay. Can't really see it. Okay. Oh my god, where were you when I... Okay, so I just finished doing the front rotors and brake pads on the FRS because they needed to be replaced. This is some copper C's lubricant. Whoever sent this to me, thank you so much. There's not a note in here, but let me take it out of its packaging. It's like really well packaged. I needed a tub of this. Oh my god. So this is from a company called Permaxtech. Wow, I probably butchered that completely, but thank you so much to whoever sent me this copper C's. I really needed this so that I can work on my rotors, so thank you so much. We got another Prime package, and this, the ones from Amazon don't say the name unless they like leave a little card. Let's see. Oh. I opened this one upside down. No notes, but you could wear this as a hat. Oh yeah, okay. How you doing? I feel like Miss Universe. Anyways, this is OEM Tools. It says OEM Tools. Quality, innovation, value. Yeah. Guys, I don't know how I'm working with these nails. I want you guys to just take a look at it. I don't ever do my nails, but for some reason I decided I want to look pretty for my sister, so I went ahead and got them done. And I can't even, rude, I can't even wipe correctly. Like, I don't know how these girls do it. Caliper hanger set. Oh my god, oh my god, I got everything for my rotors and brake pads. While I was working on them, I could have been using all this stuff. I've been using zip ties this whole entire time. Thank you so much. Oh, this is an 8-piece caliper hanger set by OEM Tools, and it says that these hangers are designed to hold brake calipers out of the way during brake or bearing suspension or axle work. They make the job easier and faster and reduce the risk of brake hose damage. And it has a lifetime warranty. Wow. These are cool too. I like the green. This kind of reminds me of Colette Davis. She loves this type of neon stuff. Thank you. I really needed these. So whoever sent me these hangers, bless your heart, because I needed them. I needed them. You guys knew. You guys knew. Put them back. Where's the box? Where did I put the box? I don't get that much mail, but whatever mail I do get, I get so excited. You should see the post office lady. She sees me like running around the aisle and I'm like, I got a new package. On to the next package. Feels like another box within a box. Gloves. I have needed gloves. Oh my god, I've needed gloves. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so these are DermaView? How do you pronounce this? DermaView? So one thing these nails are kind of like good for, so you could puncture things. Okay. Talk about neon green. Guys, this is totally like, are you sure you guys got the right YouTuber? Because this is so Colette Davis right here. Look at this. This is like Colette Davis's favorite color. And I keep mentioning her name because, yo, I've been watching her stuff, dude. It's pretty awesome. What size are these? They're medium. They fit! Oh my god, look how freaking beautiful. Bitch. I'm gonna be working on my car. My hand is never gonna get lost. Look at this. I love the fact that they're green. Alright, let me take them off because I'm definitely gonna be reusing this. Okay. Big package. This is from TC Logistics. I don't know if this is a company or if this was a person who got them, but let's open her anyways. Oh, wow, I suck at opening stuff. Ah, my finger. Oh, that fucking hurts. Oh, there is a name here. Okay. This is from Jeremy Anthony. Thank you so much, Jeremy, for this box of gloves. Ugh! Thank you. He got me some Microflex Safeguard Grip. Are these Nertile? It doesn't matter if they are or aren't, but they are powder-free latex gloves. As long as they're powder-free, I'm happy, baby, because I hate those gloves that have powder in it. It just, my skin gets so irritated, and I don't know why. Thank you. I'm gonna open these. Damn, should I open them? I already opened the box of gloves. Fuck it, let's open it. They're probably blue, I bet. Let's see. Yes, we got some blue long gloves. Thank you so much, Jeremy. I really appreciate it. Not only one, he got me 2 boxes. These are gonna last me a long time. I needed gloves so badly since, you know, there is a shortage out here and I haven't been able to find any gloves around my area. So I've been working with these like powdery gloves that you guys saw in my last video. Super disgusting because it had the powder in it, and every single time I would work, I don't know, it just gets so like hot in there. And I know you're gonna sweat underneath gloves, but I just don't know how to explain it. The powder with my sweat and how thin those gloves were, they weren't good. So thank you, Jeremy, and thank you to the other dude who also got me gloves. I needed them so badly. Thank you. Thank you so much to everyone who sent me something on my P.O. box. I really appreciate it, and I use absolutely everything you guys give me, so thank you so much. Okay, so the only thing new on the FRS currently is this decal setup that I have going on over here. I put the Art of Attack sticker. They are a partial sponsor of mine. I got Gretty because of the kit. Mishimoto is also another sponsor. R1, as you guys know, provide all my rotors for all my cars. Epic Lights is my very good friend Nick. He makes all the custom tail lights and headlight or any type of work that I need with lights. He creates them for me, and completely sponsored by him. And then I just ended up putting my name over here. I don't have my wheels at the moment because they're currently being repowder coated, but they will be delivered today at my house while I'm at work. So you guys won't see that today, but I will show you guys when I'm on my way to Virginia. If you guys want to guess the color down below, leave a comment. Leave a comment on what you think the wheels are going to be repowder coated as. And I took off this side fender fin flare thingy. I don't know what to call it. I think this is a fender garnish, but I don't know if you've ever noticed there is a little chip that was on the bottom of the garnish, and that thing was hydro dipped in carbon fiber. So I'm either going to find a real carbon fiber replacements. I know TRD makes some, but in my last video for 7's Day, I mentioned how I really like the side garnish, and I want to get something similar, like the one with the little fin. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a little shark fin that comes out. I would really love it in carbon fiber. So I've been trying to find a company that can either make it or buy it from, and that's what's going to happen here. But I'm going to go ahead and put back the old one because I need it so I can go to Virginia, but I just kind of want to take it off and see what I was going to do with that. A little update with my ceramic coating. Now, the ceramic coating does work really well, but I did notice that I was getting some water spots. When the car has like a lot of heat within the paint, and you apply ceramic coating, that heat tends to come up after application and it creates these water spots. So what I'm gonna have to do is buff out the areas where the water spots created on the paint and reapply the ceramic coating. So I'm gonna have to wait till the car is completely cool and has no heat whatsoever on it so that I can reapply so that it applies correctly. But if you guys want to know where to get that ceramic coating, I'm gonna leave the link down below where you guys can get your own bottle for $60. So hold up. I'm trying to see if I could find like a spot where okay, so the car is dirty right now, but the water spots that are on the car at the moment are the water spots from the ceramic coating. So let me show you. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Oh, it is. So you see the car is dirty, but you see those tiny circles right here. So it happened right here on this area and on top of my hood. I mean trunk. So it happened here and it happened here and it happened. Again, you guys won't be able to see because the car is so dirty. I'm trying to pick it up with the camera. Oh, you guys can't really see it, but they're very, very tiny. It's an easy fix, just tedious because I spent so much time detailing it. But what are you gonna do? We will be at SEMA, and when I say we, it's me and Sarah. I'm trying to make this like a tradition thing where me and her go all the time, every year. Last year we went, this year we're going to go again, and I will be there with her. So if you guys see us walking by, come say hi. We don't bite. We're totally normal-ish. We're kind of the weird people of SEMA. If you see us twirling around in one spot, don't mind us, just say hi. Also, August 1st, I'm going to be at Tuner Evo Philadelphia. I know a lot of you guys know about Tuner Evolution. They're a car show that's going to be in Philly. They do it every single year, and I'm going to be there with the FRS. I'm not there as a special appearance or anything like that or one of the models. I registered myself, and I got the car approved just so that I can go and enjoy at least one car show here. I will also be at Import Evolution. I believe it's August 22nd. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on that one. I'll leave the information down below. But Import Evolution are my babies. I love them so much. I go every single year. And again, I registered and I brought the car in. And actually, I want to say that this year is a little bit special because the owner, Javier, and his team, they're really close friends of mine and they're amazing people. And they do such a great job with their show. They host it at the DCU Center and it's always a great time. So if you guys are in the Massachusetts area or Boston area, come down August 22nd and come say hi. I'm going to be all over the place. I don't bite. Again, come say hi. But I will be in those two locations in the next month. So I'm super excited to do that. Unfortunately, this weekend in Virginia, it's a family thing. So I'm not going to be going anywhere or doing anything special. But I did want to ask you guys, do you want a meet and greet? I know, do you want a meet and greet? I think it's a little bit early, but I think I might convince Sarah to do one with me when she comes to New Jersey, because I know she's planning on doing that very soon. If she comes to New Jersey, would you guys want a meet and greet with me and Sarah? And Sarah, if you're watching this video, do you want to do a meet and greet with me? You're kind of stuck here for like a week, so regardless of which, let's go, let's do it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you to everyone who sent me stuff in my P.O. box. It means a lot to me. Anyways, me and the FRS have a lot of more prepping to do before we go to Virginia, so wish me luck. Comment down below what color you think the wheels are gonna be, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.